The SOF Olympiad exams are about to arrive, and here are a few last minute tips which are going to help you this year because it is going to be completely online. Especially for children who are appearing from primary 1 to primary 4, it could be little intimidating for them because there are so many things which they have to do online. In this video, I am going to discuss with you few tips which you must prepare if you have a P1 to P4 child at your house and they are appearing for this SOF Olympiad exam this year. Welcome to Mom I Love and I am Shubhoshri. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to Mom I Love because it is all about parenting, parent-child relationship, early childhood education and a lot more that revolves around parenting. So by now you must have got all the important details inboxed in your email. So the email which you have used while registering for this exam, you must have got all the information over there by now. Go to that email ID and check all the details the exam authority has sent you. You will have everything starting from your admit card to the date of your exam, your roll number and every little details which you need to know for this examination. So my first step would be to keep the roll number ready for your child. Because at the time of the examination you cannot open any other window in the device, so that is the reason why you need to keep all these things by your side. So it could be better if you could write it down somewhere or just take the printout of such things like the admit card with you so that your child can refer to the print and they can type in their admit card or roll number over there. The second thing is you can use three kind of devices for this examination. One is your mobile device, which is your mobile phone. The second could be a laptop and a computer. So these three devices could be, or these two devices could be availed for the examination, but there are few things you need to check. Like you need to check the compatibility of your device with what the examiners are asking. They have also provided the detailed list of what you need to check, that all your browsers or the Chrome extension which you are using in your device is updated and there is no third-party software loaded over there. It has a clear mic and it has a clear camera over there. So these are the few basic things which you need to check other than the list which is there. I will provide the detailed link of these instructions in the description box below which you can check later. So after keeping the roll number ready, it is time to keep your background clutter free. That means there should be nothing hanging like a t-shirt or a shirt hanging behind or something. Just keep it clear. You can face you can keep a wall behind or something which does not show any cloth or any kind of fabric or anything like that. Because this year it is going to be online and everything is to be monitored by the artificial intelligence. So that might catch objects like something is there and they might catch it as a person standing behind you. So these things, so if it happens like that, then the examination for that candidate will be cancelled and you will not be qualified for this SOF examination. The next point to consider is to make your child understand that you have to take your own picture. There will be a frame, a white frame, a white border in which the child has to fit his body up till here and then they have to click to take the picture while taking the examination. So my suggestion would be, there is a mock test link which is also provided to your email ID. So you take the mock test so that you can understand that how to take the picture, what are the things to follow and how to answer the questions. There will be limited question in the mock test, but it is always better to take the mock test to understand the pattern of the examination as well. The next step is very important, that is when the child is taking the exam, make sure that no one enters that room. If possible, you can just close the door so that no one could, no one passes by also, because if the AI catches some person or an object moving behind the student, then it could again cancel the examination for your child. The next suggestion is about solving the problem. Because it is online, you will have the question serially. There could be sections which you can choose to answer before, but my suggestion again here is to solve serially one by one. If you cannot solve some question or you think that it is taking little more time, you have all the option to mark it. You can see on your screen that there is an option to mark your question to revisit it later. So if you want to do that, you can just click in that option, revisit this question, and then you can revisit the question later when you are done with all the other questions. The next tip is, as there is no negative marking in this examination, ask your child to attempt all the question. No matter they know it, they don't know it, if they even don't know the answer, they must try and solve the question, because there is no negative marking for negative answers. The last tip is to check all the questions before submitting your paper. Once you submit your paper, you won't be allowed to check or to change anything. So before the child press that submit button, he or she must go back to the paper, because every page is saved when they are just clicking next. Okay, so they must go back and check the answers if they have time, because this will be an 1 hour paper, the IMO one. So they must go back and check out if they have missed something. Another way of checking whether you have answered all the questions or not, there will be a panel on the right side of your screen which will show all the question numbers. The numbers which you have attempted, it will be colored green, otherwise it will be colored grey or orange if you have marked it to revisit. So these are the color codings which you need to tell your child as well to observe while giving their exam. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I wish all of you a very good luck for this SOF examination this year. If your child is preparing for SOF Olympiad 2021-22 for IMO Primary 1, then you must watch my next video where I am going to give you tips about what are the things you need to teach your child. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.